All right, so we are solving systems by elimination, and this is day 2, so we are thinking through how to eliminate one variable by multiplying by a number so that when we add them vertically, one of the variables becomes 0 and disappears. So the top one, if I multiply it by 2, that becomes a 4. If I try to make the y's go away and I multiply the bottom by something, I'd also have to multiply the top by something. So I'd have to multiply the top by 2 to make that 10, multiply the bottom by 5 to make that 10. One of those would have had to be negative and then add vertically. So the easiest thing in this situation is to get rid of the x by making that 2 a 4. And we're going to make it a negative 4. So everything here is going to be negative, and then we're going to add them together. So here we go. I'm going to multiply everything by negative 2. So negative 2. And so negative 2 here gives me negative 4x. And if I take it over to here, I'm going to get negative 10y. And over here is negative 28. So now I'm going to look at adding these two. So when I add those now, I have 4 plus negative 4. That goes away. There is my 0. Now in this one I have a 2 plus negative 10. That gives me negative 8y. Negative 4 and negative 28 is negative 32. Now I need to get y by itself. Because x is eliminated, I can solve for y very easily, and that's just by dividing by negative 8. That cancels because negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1. 1 times y is just y. Negative 32 divided by negative 8 is going to be positive 4. Now I have my y. My y is 4. What is my x? Let's pick one of these. I'm just going to use the first one we did. I'm using this one. 2x plus 5y equals 14. And I'm taking out the y because I know a y. So 2x plus 5 times 4 equals 14. Here I get 20 because 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract 20 from both sides. Gives me negative 6. Bring down my 2x. Divide both sides by 2. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. There's my point. Negative 3, 4.